Good morning, good afternoon, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
So happy now, all of you. I know the secret of your happiness. What is the secret of happiness these days? Batao. Why is everybody in class 11 so happy? Everybody means most of you. Why are you so happy? Let's ask Atish. Atish, are you there? Atish. आधे घंटे से Atish is wanting to join the meeting. I was taking another class and Atish was in the waiting. Now Atish is not there only. I wonder, where is Atish? Atish Sharma, are you there? She is not there. Very good. I was taking a previous class. Acha, here he comes. Here Atish comes. Let me talk to him now. Shresht is there. Atish, good morning. Atish Sharma, good morning. Mute hai kya? This boy. Beta, what class you had previous to this? Which period was it?
Ma'am, chemistry.
Chemistry.
Okay. And commerce students, which class you had?
Business.
Business studies. Okay. So do we have 11 science, 11 commerce, both the students here? So I don't even know, Anadi, Anand. Anand, what have you taken? What are your subjects?
Commerce.
Commerce. Divya and Krish were in bio. Fine. Manas was in bio. Kshitij is there. Navya. Navya, Anand. What have you taken?
Ma'am, PCM.
PCM. Okay. Parth, Shresh, they were all. Parth was not in PCB. Parth, what
I
have
was
you
in
taken?
PCB only.
Acha, हाँ, Parth and Shresh was all PCB. Snehal is humanities. Yash Sharma. What have you taken, beta?
I'm PCM.
PCM. Okay. Zeba,
Yes, ma'am.
what subjects have you taken, beta?
Ma'am, PCB.
PCB. Did you attend the class today?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, my number was added a little later.
That is why I was
Not
wondering.
today.
Zeba was not, you were not there in biology class. So I was just wondering why.
Yes, ma'am.
Atish, what subjects have you taken? This boy is not speaking. What is wrong with him? I don't even know he's there or not. If he doesn't speak, I'll remove you from the meeting only. Shruti has joined us. Shruti is in biology. If I'm not Shruti,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
are in bio, PCB?
Yes, ma'am.
So most of the students here in the meeting are all biology students only. Just one or two I am seeing are commerce students or PCM students. Parts. Navya Anand is PCM. Kshitij Gangwar? Subjects?
Ma'am, PCM.
Okay. Out of 17 students here in the class, most of you are PCB only. So this is going to be a second period with you today, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Let's see what did you study in class 10th first. Let me see whether you studied also or not. Everybody is so happy without board exams. We are all promoted. Chalo. I'm giving you 2 to 3 minutes. There is an exercise on your screens. You need to solve this. I'll discuss the answers. I'll just show you first this. You need to use some, any, much, many, little, a little, the, little, few, a few, and the few. I'll tell you the usage of these. I'll again revise with you, though I have done it in class 9, 10, 10, but I will 9th to 9, sorry, I have not taught you 9. Grammar I did not teach you in 9th. 10th I tried to teach, but you were not there in the classes, most of you. So I'll be revising these again with you. But before that, I want to see that how many of you can do it on your own. Beta, the first 5 sentences, your time starts now. How many sentences we have to do?
First 5.
First 5. Okay. And you please start doing. Your time starts now. Raise your hands quickly. Let me see who does first. Jaldi karo. Start. You to just raise your hands, those who finish. I'll keep checking. How many students were present in the maths class today? Navir, you are maths. Kshitij, you are maths. Tell me how many were there in your maths class?
Ma'am, 15, 16.
Hmm? Okay, fine. Continue. Children, we are giving an option for you people. There will be 2 types of classes. Those who want to go for foundation classes, IIT foundation, engineering foundation classes. So for them, we'll have separate classes for PCM. You don't have to pay anything extra, and this will be done in school hours only. Those who want to go for normal classes will go for normal classes. So principal sir will be posting a message today. You need to select. If you want to go for foundation courses, then you'll have different classes. It will be in school hours only within the same period. And if you want to go for normal classes, then you can attend your normal physics, chemistry, maths classes. So this will be foundation classes. Even those students who are pursuing NEET and all, if you want, you can join for physics and chemistry foundation. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You don't have to pay extra, and this will be in school hours only. The IIT foundation classes will be taken by Danish sir. Physics and chemistry he will be taking, and mathematics by Shukla sir. So those who want to go for foundation classes will attend foundation periods, and the ones who don't want
And
to
for
go for this,
biology?
Biology, we are not giving any foundation classes for NEET. Normal. We just have 2 teachers in here. Danish sir will be taking physics, chemistry, and Shukla sir will be taking maths. Biology, we are not giving any foundation classes. You
Okay,
study
ma'am.
on your own. Biology only school classes.
Ma'am, so is it only for JE?
It's basically for JE and NEET both. Physics, chemistry. Even the NEET interested students can study. Physics and chemistry, you can study in those classes. And biology is again a learning subject. So you can either study yourself, or if you want, you can join some professional NEET coachings, whoever is giving, wherever they're giving. Okay, physics, chemistry, you can join here. Again, reminding you, it's free of cost and it is in the school as well. So today, sir will be posting a message. So plan and post. How many of you are wanting to join foundation? Those who don't want to go for engineering unnecessarily, don't join. Let me see how many have finished. Okay, not even one hand. Hurry up. Three hands raised. Good. Hurry up, others. Don't worry so much. Whatever you feel is correct, right? We'll discuss later. Fine. This much time is enough to do 5 sentences. Let me go further. Hmm. On your screen, you have 6 to 10 now. Finish it quickly, then I'll discuss the answers and we'll find out what is right, what is wrong, and why it is right and why it is wrong. चलिए बच्चे, जल्दी जल्दी करिए. Finish up to 10th. Those who finish, raise your hands. Hurry up. Only 3 hands. Right or wrong, whatever. Finish it in 2 minutes, children. Hurry up. Last 1 minute. Still there are about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people. I'm waiting for all 5 of you. Last 1 minute. Hurry up, bache. Hurry up. Nabil, good morning. Very strange. Anant and Nabil. Nabil, good morning. Why have you joined if you're not responding also? Children, I'm going to discuss the answers now. Nabil, are you there? Why have you joined the meeting if you are on mute mode? Let's discuss the answers, beta. All are ready? You have to simply speak out whatever you have planned,
ma'am.
whatever is your answer. Okay? There are some students who are always on mute mode. I don't understand. Atish, Nabil. Beta, are you there or virtual presence is only there? अब एक दो दिन तो चल जाएगा virtual presence, then I'll remove you from the meeting. Long run, this is not going to continue. This is class 11th. We cannot take it like this only. Very casual approach will not work here. Read out. Let me move on to the first one. Let me scroll up. Yes, one of you read out the first sentence with the answer. Read, beta. You want me only to read out? Okay, fine. I'll only read out. You just tell the answers. There hasn't been dash rain in the district for the past 2 years.
Any rain.
Any.
Any rain.
Any.
Any rain.
Good. Good. There hasn't been any rain. We'll discuss why we have used any later. Villagers experienced drought last year and dash people fear that the same may be repeated this year.
Few
A
people.
few.
Many villages.
Many.
Many
Many.
villages. Few.
Many.
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 Beta, both the answers are correct. It can be few also, it can be many also, it can be some also. All three would go correct. But good, you were giving correct answers. I put dash drops of oil in the lock and left it for a while.
Few.
A few. Ma'am.
Few.
A little.
Few.
Ma'am,
A little.
one blank is left.
I put a first one. I put dash drops of oil in the lock. What did you say? What answer?
A few.
A
few.
A
few.
few.
One blank is left in the
Few.
first one.
Which one? Acha, haan. For the past 2 years, dash villages experienced. This one?
Yes.
Many.
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 Have different answers. Many, some, a few, all could go. I put a few drops of oil in the lock and left it for a while. After that, I had dash difficulty in opening it.
A little.
A little. A little.
Little.
A little.
Little, a little is both better. Little would be comparatively more appropriate. Gaurav is a vegetable vendor. He has very dash education.
Little.
Very little.
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 He has very little education and he does not earn dash money.
Much.
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 Much money.
Too good. However, with dash money he earns,
The little.
The little.
The little.
very good. The little money he earns, he is able to educate his 2 daughters. It is not good to eat 2 dash chocolates.
Many.
Too
Many.
chocolate.
Many.
Many.
Too many chocolates. You should practice dash self-restraint.
Some.
Some.
A little.
Some.
A little.
A little would be more appropriate, though some is grammatically not wrong, but a little would be more better. Dash plants can survive even in places.
Ma'am, some plants.
Some
Some.
plants.
Some plants.
Plants, a few plants, both are correct. Even in places where there is hardly dash rainfall.
Any.
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 Good. I need dash eggs to bake the cake.
A few.
Some eggs.
Some.
Some.
I need some eggs. I need few eggs. Both are correct. But I cannot see dash in the refrigerator.
Any.
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 Too good. I cannot see any in the refrigerator. I had dash money in my pocket.
A little.
A little.
A little.
Very good. Very good. But dash money that I had in my pocket was
The
not
little.
adequate to buy. Very
The
good.
little.
A little.
Too good. Too good. That means you people have attended class 10th. Dash family friends came to greet my grandparents.
A few.
A few.
Okay, a
A
few
few.
family friends came to greet my grandparents. Dash friends also who came to
The
meet my
few.
grandparents. The few. बहुत
The
अच्छे,
few.
बहुत good.
The few.
Too good. I'm dash busy, Sakshi. I'll call you back in an hour.
A
A
little.
little.
A little.
A little.
A little. Are you thirsty? There is dash juice left in the
A
bottle.
little.
A little.
A
The little.
There is a little juice left in the bottle if you would like it. Very nice, children. Very nice. I was just feeling I'll have to teach you again, but most of you are perfect with it. Some and any, you know. Some is used with positive assertive sentences and any is used with
Negative.
negative and
Negative.
interrogative. Negatives and interrogatives both. Okay. Remember, any is used with
Negative and
Negative and
interrogative.
interrogative.
yes. What is the difference between much and many?
Ma'am, much is
Much is
uncountable
count-
and many is used for countable.
Very good. And what is the difference between little and few?
Ma'am, few countable but little uncountable.
Hmm. Very good. Very good. It is used in
Ma'am, little is used in negative.
yes, beta. It is used in. It is not used in negative. What is the difference between little and few?
Ma'am, little is used in uncountable but few is used in countable.
Hmm. Very good, beta. Chaliye. We'll move on to the next one now. What is the difference between little, a little, and the little?
Ma'am, little is negligible. Ma'am, a little. Ma'am, it is used in positive sense. Like,
Hmm.
and ma'am, the little. Ma'am, मतलब बहुत ही कम.
Yes. जो भी थोड़ा बहुत है. Little is used in negative. A little means थोड़ा है but positive है. And the little मतलब जो भी थोड़ा बहुत है. Similar condition we have in few, a few, and the few. बिल्कुल same. Few is used for almost negative. A few positive but थोड़ा सा, and the few means जो भी थोड़ा बहुत है. That is the few. We've done this. What? Just a quick revision. Today I've taken up something really simple. We've already done these. What, which, whose, how many, or how much? Chaliye beta, your time starts now. Quickly. Start. Are we done? 3 hands raised. 3
No,
hands
ma'am.
only. Chalo, take. Jaldi karo. Jaldi bachas. So how was your first day in class 11? चलिए 2 minute बात भी कर लेते हैं. By the time others are doing, those who finished, let's chat a bit. How was your first day in class 11 without giving an examination? मजा आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you enjoy it? Most of the teachers were new for you, except for English teachers, me and Surbhi ma'am. Most of the teachers were new for you, isn't it?
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So how was the new experience?
Good.
Only good.
No, ma'am. Fantastic.
Beta, the world is going to change in class 11 now. धीरे धीरे समझ में आना start होएगा. It's a very different world from class 10 to 11. And
Yes, ma'am.
आपके लिए और ज़्यादा difficult because we have new people. You'll be interacting with new teachers, but they're all wonderful people. Gradually, you'll become more acquainted with them. Things will be easy. Biology students, we already 3 teachers, 3 subjects will be handled by old teachers only. So you're comfortable. Surbi ma'am is there, I'm there, and I'm again there for biology. So no issues. Snehal again has, as of now, 3 subjects with old teachers only. So she's comfortable. We know the old teachers. अच्छा ये बताओ सच में, did you enjoy studying today?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Let me see how many of them are saying yes, ma'am. Tell me, how many of you enjoyed studying?
Yes, ma'am.
See?
Me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Nabil
ma'am.
enjoyed, Suresh
Yes,
enjoyed,
ma'am.
Yes,
Zeba
ma'am.
also enjoyed.
Yes,
Okay. But you had 2 English periods today, huh? But I'm working on the new timetable, which probably I'll share it with you today or tomorrow. Maybe today late night. There is a delay in the timetable because we are starting with the foundation wala system, which I just informed you. So that is why I did not post the timetable. This reminds me, there was somebody who was writing 11:30 on the groups. Please share the timetable. Jaldi batao kaun tha? Tell me, there was one group on what child had written 11 science. Check karo jaldi se. Let me know who was the person who had written. 11:30 somebody had written 11 science group. Just see who it was. Check out children and tell me who is what. Jaldi batao, who was it? Yes, please,
Ma'am,
somebody wrote.
Ma'am, Nave.
Nave, okay. Nave, are you there?
यस मैम.
बेटा रात में नींद नहीं आती है क्या?
मैम वो मैं उससे थोड़ी देर पहले ही ग्रुप में ज्वाइन हुआ तो मुझे पता भी नहीं था क्लास कितने बजे शुरू होगी.
नहीं तो बेटा पर्सनल भी कुछ चीज होती है. You have the numbers of your friends also. You have or you don't have anybody's number?
नो मैम आई.
You have na? So 11 o'clock at night, you write on the group, send the timetable. How can we do this? We cannot do this. Please maintain the decorum of school groups. You have personal numbers of your friends or message your teachers personally. And there was one more person, Manas. Yes, Manas, you are there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, one more. He is great. Nave asks night at 11 o'clock and Manas is asking at 11:30 nights. Yes, please send the timetable. शाम को क्या बेटा सो रहे थे?
मैम ग्रुप में
Ma'am.
नहीं था शाम को.
तो क्या करोगे टाइम टेबल का फर्स्ट डे में ये बताओ. टीचर्स आर कमिंग ऑन देयर ओन ना. व्हाट आर यू गोइंग टू डू विद द टाइम टेबल? यू डोंट हैव टू कैरी बुक्स टू द स्कूल. कि इतना पैनिक हो गया रात में 11 साढ़े 11 बजे. बेटा these are official groups. Please maintain the decorum of these groups. Ask your friends. If you get to know from all friends the timetable has not been shared, then understand there must be a reason why the school is not sharing it for 1 day or 2 days, whatever. I just told you the reason why we did not share the timetable, because we are planning foundation courses. तो उसको थोड़ा अलग लेके चलेंगे हम लोग. That was the reason it was not shared, beta. So अगली बार से post personal messages first to your friends to get information, and later you plan and ask us. Dash color tiles have you used in your bathroom?
Which?
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 Dash did they cost?
How
How
much?
much?
How much?
Dash curtains will be required to pack these items.
How
How
many?
many?
How many?
How
Dash
many?
dirty clothes are lying on
How-
my chair.
Whose?
Whose?
Dash money should I save every
How
month
much?
to be
How
able to
much?
buy?
How much?
How much?
Dash time do you need to finish the painting?
How much?
How much?
How
Dash time Charles Dickens used in his writing?
What?
Which?
Which?
Yes. Dash cat is trotting through your yard, our yard.
Whose?
Whose?
Dash are you reading these days? Dash are
What?
you reading these days?
What?
What are you reading these days?
Okay. Dash time do you spend on your studies?
How much?
What?
How much?
Dash is the color of your puppy.
What?
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 Dash breed does it belong to?
Which?
Which?
Dash sugar shall I add to it?
How much?
How much?
How much?
So I don't think there's any problem in interrogatives as such and in determiners also. You were
Yes,
able to
ma'am.
answer nicely the questions. This shows that you have all attended class 10th grammar classes. I was just thinking, let me have a revision of these classes. Maybe I have to do it again. But now I feel not needed at all. Okay, good.